My name is Hannah Blanton, and I am with the Berry College OneHealthCenter, and today I'm going to be reporting on the equine disease Strangles. Strangles is caused by the bacteria Streptococcus equi, subspecies equi. So yeah, this equine disease is highly contagious, and it can be spread in 3 different ways. So the first way is through direct contact from one infected horse to another horse. Another way is that horses can actually become asymptomatic shedders of this disease. And so that means they don't present cases, but they actually shed the bacteria, and this can be spread from one horse to another. And then another way too is through transmitting of indirect objects, so with their food, grooming tools, or even like water spaces. So when a horse has strangles and is infected with strep equi, the horse presents with a variety of different symptoms. The first noticeable one is that the horse's lymph nodes, so right near their throat area, somewhere around like this area of the horse, it becomes swollen, and these lymph nodes can actually rupture and abscess. Another telltale sign of strangles is a thick nasal discharge that the horse has, and that actually has the bacteria strep equi in it. Another thing too about strangles is that the name originates from when this bacteria is shed, and so when the swollen lymph nodes rupture and they abscess, they can actually drain into the horse's throat somewhere like here, and then it could cause them to cough, and it sounds like they're strangling. And so, as I mentioned previously, it's highly contagious. Horses typically between the ages of 4 to 6 can actually contract this disease, and that's fairly surprising because horses, we would expect at that age to have a fairly strong and robust immune system. It's also a concern too because this disease has a highly zoonotic potential, and so that means that it can be spread to humans, and it has been documented in humans as well when horses are infected with strangles. So the different ways to prevent strangles are: 1, vaccinate your horse, and so make sure your horse has the strangles vaccine. The second way too is to keep water buckets and food buckets for each horse separated, and so that is a good way to prevent just spreading the bacteria and spreading other contaminated objects between horses. The third way too is to quarantine your horse, and so if your horse does have strangles, you want to quarantine him inside of a barn and make sure to keep their area clean and not contaminated with the bacteria. If you have any further questions or you're curious about tracking this disease in your local area, you can visit the Equine Disease Communication Center. But yeah, I'm Hannah Blanton. Have a good day.